tua ma le au nanga le mot tau sa mo service station nei tona I matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga ese ese. Ai le ngata foi le ma tau te sia ke ina fo ilo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Afai foi vai pa olosa. Awala te pon, matu te siapa lah yang foi mau lah ucapan. Molo no posila fia. Mua tapela ucapan le pe out. Mua tapela o telefone ni tai me utu ina le ucapan. Mala vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo e matua I fasaina lo tau maftapa ai no fuanga papeni Ota Samoa ore mota mo Samoa ma do te fia e au na pe mo o Samoa maftaila fia mai we'll see you again God bless
Lela wana whailau whaakau. Ili tupele na mai ili tālo voucher. Lela wana whaakau maa mea te mga oi. Ili voucher. Tai fu isi o whanau li lapsi wai o le tālo voucher o mawai whaakau mane ai o leia so. Ia no whaati.
Talofa guys. Welcome. It is Monday, another week here with your girls, Bear and Claudia on your Blue Table podcast. Obviously, we were having a great time just before the show started. And the reason behind our moves is because today we have a very special guest. Her name is Lessa, and she is the most amazing Zumba instructor.
Yeah. We just had Lorenzo on talking a little bit about health. But then we thought that we would take it up a notch with the Zumba moves.
Do you want to show us your moves? Then we can keep going.
So you have to apparently it's like a towel. Anyways, we've got Lessa who will be here in studio dropping it low with the Zumba moves to make sure that it keeps your heart rate pumping. Boom, 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 boom.
She's obviously a little bit too excited, but let's talk a little bit about our week last week because the Blue Wave team had a lot going on last week, and just thinking about it, I'm like, man, I don't even know how we fit all of that in because we had a group going to the opening and closing of the MSL graduation.
Yes.
We also had the opening and closing of the Kiribati language week. I myself did my first official professional photography gig on Saturday at a 21st. I think I did a very great job.
I think you did. I was really impressed. And I also had my first upskill lesson doing videography. It's all about learning new skills and making sure that we, or myself and Claudia, are doing what we can to help the team out. But I actually had fun. Did you have fun?
It was so much fun.
I had so much fun, yeah.
It was so much fun. So I was with Daisy, and she was like, because the DJ at the birthday party was so good, so you couldn't help but dance, right?
Right.
And then I learned Photography 101 from Daisy.
Yeah.
You should not dance on the job because otherwise they think that you might not be doing your job.
Check out a photo of Claudia doing her thing
See, look.
there at the 21st. So, yes, if you don't already know, Blue Wave, the Blue Wave team, we're here to capture all those special moments for your events. Capture your milestones with the Blue Wave team, and it's definitely a name that you can trust because honestly, I wouldn't trust my memories in anyone else's hands.
Nope.
The flash is on us, right?
Yes.
Do you like that? The flash is on us. And then we've got some photos here of the team who also on the same day went through to the Kiribati closing ceremony that happened on Saturday. There you have the behind the scene footage of the team there held at Pullman?
Pullman, yes, it was Pullman.
Yes, in the netball courts there in Papakura.
Bruce Pullman.
There we go. Mm-hmm. And I met a beautiful young lady there who was one of the performers there for the Kiribati Language Week ceremony. So she's such a cutie, right?
So cute.
Oh, that was awesome. And also we've had the boys also on the same day who the Toko Uso brother C and Bali who went through to a Presbyterian PIPC retreat. The minister and youth leaders there that happened at Wesley College.
That's amazing. And you know what, and talking about our Tongan brother C, who's also a photographer of Seaway, Blue Wave, sorry, on Saturday, so the birthday girl had a Tongan side and a Samoan side.
Yeah.
And I just want to say, for all my Tongan friends out there watching, does anyone want to throw me a birthday? Because you guys are so generous with your money.
I know, right?
So much. So if anyone wants to throw me a birthday with a very traditional Tongan style, I'll be more than happy to oblige.
I heard it was a pretty wicked birthday.
It was amazing.
Money flying everywhere.
There was.
My kind of birthday. My kind of bank. No. But there you have it. And I think there was a photo as well. I was so excited to finally be behind the camera to help Lemo out. And I think Claudia will agree with me. There's a whole new level of love and respect.
Oh, yes.
For the team that does this full time for us, because Claudia and I, although we do a lot and help where we can, but I swear the work, the angles that they have to capture, the transition between both the laptop, the two cameras going live stream for the ministry, you have to be on point.
Yes, and I'm just looking at producer Lemo, who is behind the camera right now because he does this Monday to Friday. He's always behind the camera.
Look at how
the laptop. I'm just podcasts. I don't think he gets enough credit because this guy, he does a lot. So shout out to him.
So shout out to everyone who is in this industry, who honestly, hands down, man, it's a lot of work, and also a massive whawhitai lover to Nawhanua as well from the Ministry of Pacifica People, who took really good care of the team and host, and also to the Kiribati community. But yeah, MSL graduation. We've also had the preparation for the Cook Island Language Week launch, the photography work. Man, I can't wait because I heard it's gonna be a pretty good week. It's going to be sicky next week, eh?
We might need to do some Zoom classes in advance, loosen up our muscles for Cook Island week.
Stop it. I'm going to get into trouble. It's been crazy. It's been an awesome week. Don't forget, if you need any assistance, you know where to go with regards to your business. Here at Pacific Business Hub, Laura is happy to help you. And a massive thank you to all of our sponsors.
Yes.
Pacific Easy, Pacific 40, Malta Samoa, Seki Works, Say Oriana, and of course the Pacific Business Hub. But man, I want to check out Claudia's moves.
Talking about moves, let's head into a break because without further ado, I'm gonna bring out Lessa onto the show. Zumba instructor, youth worker at Manurewa High. Awesome moves. I actually went to her class on Saturday to check out her first launch of her Zumba classes. Absolutely amazing. But we're going to go into a short break and then we're going to get right into it.
I can't wait. Stay tuned, guys, because it's going to get saucy in here.
All right.
Alrighty.
Stay tuned, guys.
Tau tua ma le au nanga remote tau sa mo service station nei tona i matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga i se ese. Ai le ngata foi le ma tau te sia ke ina fo i lo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Apa itu yang baik pak orang sah? Awalnya telepon, matu tu siapa lah yang voice mau lah ucapan. Mulu no posilah dia, mua tapi lau tak vale peaut. Nua tapi lau telefon ni time meu tu inai lau tak vale. Mana baenga mulu. Mana tua fo? Matua i whasa aina, lo tau makitapa ai no fuanga whapengi. Hota Samoa, ore mota mo Samoa. Mato te fia e au auna pia mo oi Samoa. Maftaile fia mai, we'll see you again. God bless.
Nila wana whailau whaakau. Ili tupele na mai ili talo for voucher. Nila wana whaakau mea te mga oi. Ili voucher. Tai fu isi o whanau nila si wai ole. Talo for voucher uma wai whaakau mane ai ole yaso. Ia no whaat.
Talofa lava everyone and welcome back to Blue Table Podcast. These girls here are grinning because they were dropping a download at the break. So yes, shout out to Jay. We hope that you are okay in Green Lane Hospital. Wishing you a very speedy recovery and maybe next time you can kind of join in into her Zumba class.
Yeah, a shout out to you, sis. We hope you are well and all the best for your operation as well. So yeah.
Now, without further ado, let's give a big round of applause to our special guest, Lisa. She is a youth worker at Manurewa High and also a newly appointed Zumba instructor. So thank you so much for being here. You see, she's got the moves, guys. She's got the moves. Now, tell us a little bit about yourself. Where are you from?
Born and raised in Otara.
Love it.
Spent 14 years at Hillary College in the primary school, middle school, senior school, and then as a teacher aide. Travelled to Cambodia, Philippines, missions trip, done anti-trafficking work overseas and here in New Zealand. Switched up a lot of into different roles, crump every now and then.
Love it.
And now Zumba instructor, as well as karaoke on the side.
Wow.
So
Karaoke's my favorite.
Hustle game strong.
I remember back in the days when I was, I think it was high school when I used to think I could crump.
I think I can crump. Can I crump?
I reckon you can.
I reckon I
Do you want to
can.
give us a demo?
No, not yet. After our little lesson, but like, tell us a little bit about your villages. Do you?
Yep, Whasatauta. That's the village I know I'm from. And the village of Velvet Crest in Otara.
Velvet Crest. Shout out to everyone from Whatuota and from Velvet Crest in Otaraha.
Yeah, all the way.
Sorry.
We made it
You made it.
to New Zealand.
Now you are a newly appointed Zumba instructor. What made you get into Zumba, or even like join up to your first class as a student, I guess, or partaker?
It was actually my brother last year. I think it was just after COVID or before the first lockdown. And I saw him and he had lost a bit of weight. And then he showed me an image of my mum.
Yep.
And she had lost heaps of weight. And I was just like, oh, and I was like, Oompa Loompa, like hard. But before I was Oompa Loompa, the last time they saw me, I was doing boxing and stuff. So it was a massive shift. And he just told me, just come check out Zumba. That's what we've been doing. And so I was real insecure. And the sad thing was I couldn't put my shoes on, like bend forward. And that's how big I had gotten. So I had to do the reach back and try pull it up. And for me, that was it. I was like, nah, I am not going to do this again. Like, I'm not going to allow myself to stay at this size. Went to this Zumba class in Otara Z-Swag. And the vibe was just amazing.
Yeah.
Like, there were people there that were bigger than me, but they were moving hard out. After my first class, I thought I had gout on both legs. My back was sore. Like, I was just like, I think that was it for me. I was like, nah, I actually enjoy this workout. I didn't even feel like I was working out. I felt welcomed. It didn't feel like a chore or like something to tick off.
Yep.
And so before I knew it, they were like, oh, yeah, we got a Thursday class too. So I went to a Thursday class and I just kept showing up.
So what was it about Zumba that like made you stay and even become an instructor?
It wasn't just like the physical changes, like it was mentally as well. Like it would change up my day. I'd have a bad day. And then just walking in, it'll be the second track. Music's amazing, and before you know it, you're actually
That's
in
South American music, guys. Just FYI, you're welcome.
Como la flor. And I'm like, yeah, I'm Selena.
Yes.
But yeah, so everyone was really welcoming. It was more like a family.
Yeah.
And even though like I was pretty huge, they noticed the changes. So for me, it was just like I need to keep surrounding myself with people that are gonna keep reminding me that like I am starting to look good. I do. And I feel good around them. And the number one comment that made me stay was when they said I look like I was my mom's big sister. And I was like, I'm half her age. So I was like, nah, like actually, and so mom was a huge motivation for me. I started taking her tips as well on what she was drinking.
Yeah.
Tried turmeric, kale, spinach, cucumber, green apples, ginger, lemon. I was doing
amazing.
all of that. And before I knew it, like I found out about another class and then another class and then started inviting friends to come through to the classes. And I didn't even realize the weight was dropping.
Yeah.
I just...
Because that's how much fun you're having.
I was going after the feeling, not so much the appearance or anything. And I felt comfortable in my skin again.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Because on Saturday you actually had your first Zumba class, and that was amazing. And like you said, like it just felt like a family. And that was my first time there, out in Otara Powerhouse. And like I felt like I knew everyone. Everyone was smiling at me. Everyone saying hello, making sure I felt welcome. So I actually took some videos. So we'll show one of the videos. Turn up your volume because the music is fire, guys.
Pump it
so
up,
much
guys.
good energy.
I can't wait to watch this.
It's so much fun.
I can't believe I missed out. Here we go.
And it was 9:30. That was filmed this Saturday. If you
Yeah.
guys remember, it was raining, it was cold, it was so windy.
was.
And I got there, it was like 9:15, I think. I got there, there was hardly anyone. I was like, oh, maybe not many people will come because it's raining. But 9:30 on the dot, everyone turned out. And I think that's a true testament on just how amazing Zumba is. That people got out of bed on a Saturday morning, drove over to Otara, in the rain, in the wind, in the cold, just to go to class.
No, like, I mean, you know, I was up in the morning, you know, obviously here doing,
I
you know,
didn't think
working.
you believe that.
I was working. I was, so, you know, but to be hyped up in that weather, because the weather was crazy.
It was cold.
It was cold.
And I hadn't had the best
I
of
needed
sleep.
a cuddle. But I was working. I'm not kidding. Do we get cuddles at Zumba as well?
I think you need to go somewhere else for that.
That's ballroom dancing.
Oh, is it?
That's kizomba. It's different partner dance.
Partner dance. But man, that vibe is crazy, and that same vibe is the vibe that you've got here. I can feel
can
it,
feel it.
sense it. Just
Yeah, she
sprinkle
can
it.
feel it. And everyone's having fun, especially, what was her name?
Lucy.
Yes, Lucy. You're my favorite.
was
You're
gunning
amazing.
it.
Amazing. It was just so much fun, guys.
Yeah.
We are going to go into a short break because we're going to get Lisa to show us a couple of Zumba moves off camera.
Just a couple.
And we might show you on camera after the break. So don't go away, guys. We'll be right back.
Stay tuned.
Tau tua ma le au nanga le mo tau sa mo service station nei tona i matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga i se ese. Ai le ngata foi le ma tau te sia ke ina fo i lo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow mau lau tapan. Afai foi vai pa olo sa. Awala te pon ma tu te siapa lah yang foi e mau lau tapan. Molo no posila fia. Mua tape lau ta vale pe out. Rua tape lau telefoni tai me utu ina lau ta vale. Male vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo e matua i pasa aina lo tau maftapa ai no fuanga papengi. Mota Samoa, ole mota mo Samoa. Mado te fia e au na pe mo o Samoa. Maftaile fia mai. We'll see you again. God bless.
Nila wana whailau whaakau. I le tupele na mai le talo for voucher. Nila wana whaakau ma me te mga oi. I le voucher. Tai fu se whanau i la mai o le talo for voucher ma wai whaakau ma ne ai o lia so. Ia no whaat.
Stay.
Talofa lava, and welcome back to all of our beautiful viewers today. We hope your Monday is going good and we hope your weekend was just as good. Yes, today we've got Lisa in the house who is going to talk to us a little bit about her new classes that she started there in Otara. But before we get into the Zumba lessons, this is Zumba lessons.
Yes, she was not lying when she said it was going to get saucy. Yeah.
It's gonna get saucy in here. It's a bit hot in here as well. Oh my goodness.
You feel a little flustered now?
I am a little bit flustered. Stay tuned because we are gonna get Lisa to show us a little bit of those Zumba moves that she'll be teaching at her classes. But before we get into the whole Zumba dance moves, Lisa, before we went into break, you did mention a little bit about how Zumba helped with mental health, with your mental health. Just briefly just touch on that and how it's helped and why you believe it's helped you. Because just remember, we're not professionals here. We are just talking about it and just raising awareness about it because it is quite real. Yeah. I know that For the Boys podcast have openly talked about it, but I think it's time that we just. It's so taboo in our Pasifika community. It's like it's either harden up or get out. Yeah. But the truth is the world has changed, and every day we're just those suicide rates are just getting higher and higher. So it is a bit of one of those touchy subjects. We don't want if you need help, there are details on Google, but. Talk us through a little bit of your experiences.
Okay, sweet. So when my brother pretty much we reconnected again, I pretty much had lost everything. So I was in a relationship and I gave up my family, my friends, church, everything for this one person. And at the beginning of last year, he left, moved overseas, and that was it. And for me, I moved in with a couple of friends. But it just was like, what do I even do now? Like, what did I spend the last 4 years investing into, believing in? And then just seeing my size, my body, seeing all the Facebook memories that pop up and all the story archives that pop up. And I see me with the orphans in Cambodia and I see me doing stuff in the Philippines. And I'm like, I actually wish I stayed being that person. I actually wish that I could just, flip a switch and I'm back to that and I'm surrounded by loved ones again. And it was hard. And by that point, I was an alcoholic. So I was like blacking out a lot, drinking, and a lot of the weight was from the alcohol. But it was like, why would I be sober for a life that I don't want? Yeah. And that I never understood why. I just worked and then would drink, work and then drink. And there was nothing going for me. So being in Zumba and around a family that even though you're like doing the move so wrong, like the instructor Tana would just come and point and be like, yeah, go, and invite you up on stage. Awesome. And you're still doing it wrong, but everyone's cheering for you. That's awesome. And that was like when I actually started to feel accepted and I felt like it was okay to be in the space that I was. And I had to let go of this whole thing that I have to be like the person I was before. It was hard to talk about what I had gone through because everyone warned me beforehand. Everyone told me like, hey, no, this is where you're heading, but you're making decisions to go this way. And so it was just that whole I told you so that I wanted to avoid. I don't, not many people know what actually happened in that season. And so all of this, like, I just didn't know who I was. And me not being able to open up, because like you said, as islanders, we don't. We don't share about it. And so, it just kept going. Like, it was a cycle. Just, something good's happening. Oh no, this is too good to be true. I'm gonna go back to my default. I'm gonna go back to the pub. I'm gonna go back and do this. But to have Zumba classes that are always available, it slowly became, actually, I'm gonna go to Zumba, and I'm not gonna go drink. And it became this whole thing like, oh, but I just like died in Zumba. And if I go drink, I'm just putting on all the weight. So then it was like slowly shifting my mentality, the way I was thinking. And at the beginning of this year, I was given the opportunity to run a women's boot camp.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, just having Zumba, fitness, health, and people constantly encouraging me pushed me to start to give back to the community. And not many people know about the mental health struggles. Everyone just sees, Alyssa's funny, Alyssa's entertaining, like, oh my gosh, she's moving and stuff. But no one actually saw what it was like behind closed doors. The constant GP visits, the hospital checkouts, the counselling, AA meetings, all of that. I had to do all of it in silence, and on my own. But over time, I learned to trust people again. I learned to be myself again. And I guess that's what we do as islanders. We put on all these masks so that if society rejects us, they didn't reject our identity. They've rejected the mask we put on. So we're still okay. And this year I finally was able to remove all of these labels and masks and just actually be me and be okay if people didn't like me.
I love that.
God.
Yeah, so
much.
yeah, so
I'm just so like, you know, and it is, you know, and I think it is so difficult for our Pasifika women, men, our youth. There are people out there who are willing to help and, you know, open up, you know, even if it's, I'm sure Claudia doesn't mind, you know, getting the occasional good inbox, obviously, you know, that DM, reaching out for help, you know. I'm happy, you know, to send me a DM if you're not feeling, and I'm sure Lessa and her Zumba classes, because it is so real. It is so real. It's, I remember posting up a photo last year, and I looked great, but that's, depression is quite, mental health is real.
yeah,
So
it's crazy.
yeah, it does carry a heavy load, but it's nice to finally hear someone open up about it, that it's a mask, and it is accepting that mask and then not feeling rejected as that person that you really kind of want to. So, you know, if you need any help with regards to mental health, please reach out. There is someone out there that is willing to make the time for you, because you're worthy of being here, and, you know, your place don't... it's quite sad that there's certain toxic people out there who you invest so much time in, and know the feeling.
Whoa.
Know the feeling. Waste the time na. Mai mau kay ni na.
Back in the day, yesterday.
But it's good to have a laugh about it. You know, it is a serious problem, but thank you so much for opening up about it, because I know it's hard. It takes a lot of courage and strength for a woman, for anyone actually, to open up and talk about it.
But what an amazing thing you've done. Like, I mean, you've taken the good, the bad, the ugly, the really ugly, and you've just transformed it into...
I love that. Transform.
I was sharing with a friend last night that, like, we were talking about our journey and how we actually go through all of these things, and we were both complaining about why do we have to go through all of that to finally understand something? Why can't we just understand it? And I was just like, actually, it's like you're going on a journey, and do you know how you play the coin game, the train thing, and you're just running and you just have to try and catch all the coins? It's like all the obstacles in that, you're picking up gold. If it's not for yourself, it's for people that you're around.
I love that.
Remember?
Oh, I love that so much. And do you know what as well? Talking about like relationships, breakups, whether it's platonic or romantic. I was reading this quote and it said, do everything from love, not for love. Yeah. So if they start hating on you or they leave, well, they're lost.
They're lost. Say what you're about to say.
And she can sing too, guys.
No, but I love that. Oh, yes, the game. That's the game.
Subway surf.
Subway surf.
So if things are hard, just remember you're playing Subway surf and you're collecting gold for people around you.
So, and if you guys are wondering, where can we go and join one of Lessa's Zumba's classes? Every Saturday at Otara Powerhouse. It's very easy to find, 9:30 to 10:30. $5 for every adult, and if your child is under 12, they get to go for free, right? So make it a whole entire family affair. Take everyone out for a Saturday.
Yeah.
Morning
And remember, you don't have to be a professional at dancing. You don't have to look a certain way. And that's why I'm actually glad, because, you know, usually you see Zumba instructors and they got like the tank tops and the abs. I'm so glad I've got my ozone layer so that you guys can all see we're all going to struggle together. You know, we got to keep it real in our community. So don't worry, we will slow down during classes because I need to breathe as well.
And I'm going to be there this Saturday, and I'm going to drag Bear along with me.
Yes, we're going to be there Saturday.
9:30, guys.
Yeah, 9:30.
Otara Powerhouse, $5.
Yeah.
That's less than a Happy Meal at McDonald's.
Yeah, it is. It's all about those healthy. Should we get into it? But, you know, we're just going to quickly, we've asked, I'm a little bit worried about these. Okay, so this is what you can expect on Saturday. So before we head into the Zumba classes on Saturday, we're just going to get some lessons.
Some quick lessons.
Lesson. Okay,
So,
do we need music?
should we have music? Do you guys want to feel the full experience?
Wait.
Let's.
My phone died.
Okay, wait. Let's. What song shall we play? Okay, producer Lemon. Okay. So while we get
spin the drink box.
Lemo, DJ Lemo.
so while we get the song,
DJ Blue Wave.
don't forget, please. I know. If you really do need any help with regards to mental health, please check out. There's so many people that you can see, or just find a health like a Zumba class.
Yeah.
They're awesome.
Yeah. I think the trick is just to get moving.
Yeah.
And surround yourself with.
And come to these guys. They've got a master's in experience. So.
And then we've got a master's in making you laugh, I hope.
I think that's what you mean.
It's all about getting yourself motivated for your Monday. Because Monday is probably the hardest. So we're going to do some Zumba classes.
A song.
Oh, no.
Classic, guys.
Here we go. We ready?
Okay.
Oh, I like this song.
We're going to face this way
This
and
way?
just tap your foot.
Tap.
Hey.
Hey. Count to tap.
And then 3 sprinkles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yo, hey. Go. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3.
Can I tap out now?
1, 2, 3. Hey.
I'm on tap. These people
So this is the towel movement. So if you can't reach your back like this, you're gonna reach your back like this. Okay. Yep. And then the next one is you're just gonna pop your chest. So it could be like
I'm sweating already.
You know, chest pop. But for Zumba, it's just hip, hip, hip. Hey. Go. Yep. And then last move is the T.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2. Four. That way. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? And you can just do a little body roll there. Hey. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Tumpala, 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 tumpala. 1, 2.
I don't know if I can do it that well.
It works out the thighs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm like leaning on the wall for support. I'm really sorry.
So what is it? I love that.
Yeah.
Already.
I'm already hot, guys.
Wow. That was.
Okay. That was
Already
amazing.
you can tell I need a lot of lessons. This is why I needed to stay at Fit Family.
I'm sure I'm going to be a lot better once I have a lot more stuff.
I know,
to go.
but do the
That's my
Zumba
excuse.
moves definitely help you with dance stuff, eh?
Yeah. Definitely. The leg movement, the
The leg-
grooves. You're grooving everywhere. Your arms are stronger to hold up the whack pose.
Yes.
Whacking. Hey.
How do you do it? That's a cool move.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's just fun. Back.
Oh.
But I'm not a professional in this, but I know whackers. And then you just speed it up.
I love the vibe.
But guys, this Saturday, 9:30 to 10:30 at the
Yes.
Powerhouse,
Oh my God.
Otara. Do we know the address off by heart?
40D Love Grove Cres.
Yes.
Love
$5, guys. It's only $5, and you're going to get a whole entire hour's worth of good vibes, an amazing crowd to be dancing with, And sometime with this.
And remember,
project.
come as you are. If you want to come in a tank top, come in a tank top. If you want to bring your kids, bring your kids.
Bring your
We
kids.
welcome all.
Myself and Claudia, we will be there, and I cannot
It's
wait.
on camera now, Bear, so you can't back out. And if she doesn't show up on Saturday, I'm gonna be taking a video and I'll be showing it on
I will
Monday.
be-
I'll be like, where's Bear?
Where's Bear? She must be doing Zumba.
She's at the Otara Flea Market. That's available as well. Flea Market's just across the road.
Oh,
go.
look.
Win-win.
What better than Zumba class and then a nice little stroll at the Otara Flea Market, guys?
It's a family outing. Lesser man, you know, a massive, you know, your contribution and the way that you have honestly shared that courage that it took for you to share to all of our viewers.
What a
Honestly.
great way to start a week, guys.
Monday.
So it's going to be a great week, honestly. Thank you again so much for being vulnerable. And please, guys, show support. Go every Saturday, 9:30 to 10:30. It's only $5.
Get ready.
And you get to do more words like this.
A massive whawhito lover to all of our sponsors who continue to contribute to the dream of helping Blue TV share stories like the beautiful Lissa, who has showed so much love for us here. Claudia.
I'll see you guys on Saturday.
See you guys on Saturday. Stay tuned
again.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Zumba! My whole arm shook.
Like
Special effects.
special. Oh right.
It's meant to be a thing and it just.
That's us, guys. We'll see you guys later. God bless.
Bye.
Esquire, baby. Rex, Jay Sands. Oh, say I'm a say you are complete to me, I get you. By the way that you move and the way that you smile. Say, oh my Dorima, baby, you be giving your hand, I'll take you anywhere. You give me something that I never had. Cause you care, but about to me and the family. Say, why you waiting on me to talk to you? Yeah, I'ma listen what y'all say. Yeah, don't move on in and come here. Yeah, they on the nail, thought that you wine, girl, that you wine. Yeah, say,